What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing with my new Lancer that I put a polarstar jack into. So this is my first HPA gun. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hey.
Hey, somebody get the bus!
Stack it. Stack up on it. Stack up on it.
Rod, where you at? Hey, we're about to throw a frag down the hallway.
Alright, do it, go.
Bring out!
No, hey, take the helmet, take the helmet. Hey, go low.
The fuck? Hit! I got low.
He's close. Whoa.
Right corner.
Got one.
Take one down. Hit! Fire something. Go. Go in the conics. Hold conics. Do we have people on the right? Huh?
What the fuck are you doing? Where? Let's go. Focus.
He's dead.
What's up?
I'm not shooting. I'm not targeting you. There's the guy behind you. You're good.
Hold up. Bye! Get fucked! You're dead! Oh, no shot. Friendly. I got a couple of them over here.
I took all of them, bro. Look at that. Come shot.
Got him. Jason, that's us!
Right here. Close left.
On the doorway? Are you talking about on the doorway?
Yeah. Well, I don't know where they're at. They're on our left. Far back there.
There's two of us. One far right.
That's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Wednesday.